and I will complete 2 pages per day, and I will target that particular date to complete it. So now you're getting a clear picture. Yes. And whenever I stop, you cannot have more than one pen in hand, and also you cannot have empty. That depends on you what to do. That strategy is yours.
This whole training was to help us develop as a team member and play it well as a team, but more so as being our own selves. Because majority of the time when we work in a company, we think of a bigger picture, but we do not know that every cornerstone forms the building. It helps the building structurally, and that is what helps us. So a lot of times we do not focus on ourselves. So this training has helped us in that way. It has helped us to focus on ourselves.
We learn a lot, like we had a fun and chit-chats, games. So usually we don't have in, in the busy life, like the professional and personal. So somehow we learn a lot, like we should not kill our inner child inside it. It should be alive, which usually we not make it. So this is really quite good. We should make alive inside it, and we should let the thinking of forgiveness. That's what we are not doing. Mostly, like I know from all the people who are sitting here have a little bit anyhow ego problem. Like I usually have it. So we need to learn it and overcome on it. It will be really helpful to us.
This session is to bring out the best in me.
Okay.
And then also for this inner child, so for the children, for being a child, we can easily forgive and forget what happened. But right now, as an adult, we cannot bring back the time. We are still, she did something to me that. So we need to bring back our inner child to forgive easily.
Yes.